Are you tired of losing money trading? Let's break this vicious cycle together. In my videos we will show you in real time how and what to use so that you can start earning from trading. Let's learn the secret of Japanese candles. In this video we will go over how to play a engulfing candle from the Japanese formations. We will show you on several instruments how to play this formation. A Japanese candlestick engulfing candle formation is one of the most used in trading. But let's see some information before we start. What is an engulfing candle and how to apply it in an uptrend, and how to apply it in a downtrend. In an upward trend, or when the price jumps immediately after a red bar, we must have a green bar. The green bar must have a larger body than the red bar. In a downtrend, or when the price falls after a green bar, we should have a red bar. The red bar should have a larger body than the green bar. So let's see how to trade an engulfing candle, shall we? We are on the GBP currency pair. On an hourly time frame. We have opened a buy order because an engulfing candle is forming on this chart. We see the price as it looks, and how after two bottoms an engulfing candle is formed. We can see how after the red bar, we have a green bar, on which the body is larger than above the red bar. This is an engulfing candlestick formation from the Japanese candlesticks. This is a very reliable formation. In this example, after the engulfing candle, a buy position should be opened immediately after the green bar. Because we expect the price to go up. The stop level in such situations should be placed a few pips below the bottom. Profit loss in this example is 1 to 5 and a bit. So let's see a few hours later how our signal has evolved. As we can see the price reached our take profit and took it away. We have made a good profit. Subscribe to our channel and learn the secret of Japanese candles. Here's another example of playing an engulfing candle. This example will be in a downtrend. That is, in this example we should be looking for sales. We are on USD/JPY, on a 4 hours chart and have opened a sell position. We put the stop level a few pips above the previous peak. Be sure to put a stop level. In this way you limit a certain loss if the signal goes wrong. We must limit losses if the position does not go in our direction. As we can see, we have a red bar, and right after it we have a green bar with a body larger than the red bar. Immediately after closing the 4-hour bar, this gives us a pretty strong signal to open a sell position. If you learn to use these formations correctly, and also if you see which formation, what strength the market has, you are in for a good profit. Let's see, a few hours later, how our selling position has developed. We see the price has fallen and hit our take profit. After closing the following candles, you can move the stop level to plus, thus guaranteeing a certain profit. Yes, and here we have made more than 300 pips of profit. And if you use Japanese candles, you can share in the comments. Oh, let's find Bitcoin, the most traded and most preferred cryptocurrency. And that's exactly how Japanese formations work with cryptocurrencies. But you have to be careful with them, because they are sometimes very volatile. That's exactly where we are on the Bitcoin chart. On the 4-hour chart. As you can see we have opened a buy position. We have stop loss and take profit. We have opened a buy position because of the engulfing candle. We have a red candle in an upward movement. Immediately after it we have a green candle, on which the body absorbs the body of the red candle. And this is quite a strong signal for opening a buy position. And a little before we had a signal to open a buy on the previous engulfing candle. But this is the first signal. The most reliable is the second signal where we open the buy position. With crypto, you should better use money management. As we mentioned, cryptocurrencies are volatile, and here we have to open with proper money management. Here we also have the formation of 3 white soldiers, but we will talk about them in the next videos. Let's see a little later where the price of Bitcoin has reached. As we can see, the price has reached our take profit. And we have left the take profit there because we have a peak before that. You can see that we have also moved the stop level to plus. In this way we guarantee a certain profit. That is, this position cannot generate a loss. After we have guaranteed ourselves a certain profit with a plus stop. We can leave the position open and wait for either our stop to hit or our take profit to hit. The position is closed, we have made a good profit. And our account has increased, and we will be able to open positions with a larger lot. Here is another good example with an engulfing candle. We are on the Euro-USD currency pair. On a 4-hour chart. We have an open buy. We have put a stop level and we have also put a limit level near the wild peak. We have a red bar. After that we have a green bar whose body covers the body of the red bar. Immediately after closing the green bar, we can open a buy. Be sure to use a stop level and a take profit level. Let's see later where the price of Euro-USD has reached. As we can see, the price made adjustments, but in the end it reached our take profit. Subscribe to our channel and expect a video soon with all the Japanese formations, and which one is how reliable. Here is another good example with the Japanese engulfing candle formation. We are again on the euro-USD currency pair, we are again on the 4-hour chart, but this time we are for sales. We see that we have a green candle and after it a red one with a pretty good body forms. The body covers the body of the previous candle. We have set the stop level a few pips above the previous peak, and we have set the take profit to the previous bottom. Positions on the 4-hour frame are good to follow, and to move stops to plus. Let's look at loss and profit, how much to how much. Lose profit 1 in 7 and it's a pretty good profit. Let's see a little later how far our signal has gone, and if we've made good money. The price has fallen and reached our take profit. After looking at these few examples we can see that this Japanese candlestick pattern is very reliable. I'm starting a series of videos playing different Japanese candlestick formations. This is how you will see their power. All examples will be in a real environment of active graphics. There you will see how we apply everything we learn and everything we show. We will also show you in percentages which formation has which strength. If you liked the video and learned something new, you can share it with friends, hit a like. You can also subscribe to our channel.